My name is Colin Brady. I'm a student in the Aviation Maintenance program here at CNCC, and I'm from Rangeley. I was born and raised here and been here my whole life. I chose to come to CNCC partially because of the cost of tuition and being able to stay home a little bit longer. It's an amazing little town. It's fun. You can do anything you want here. And the instructors here have lots of experience under their belts, and it's been awesome to be able to work one-on-one with them and get more attention and really be able to learn from them. I was able to get a job offer from SkyWest Airlines in Salt Lake, so I am looking forward to that, and we'll be moving out there here in a few weeks right after graduation. CNCC does a lot to help students get into a job and into a career right before graduation or right after graduation. I appreciate all that they've done for me to help in getting a job so quickly.